Welcome to the Biomar Masterclass. Today, we are going to cover land use change and biodiversity. These are both impact categories in sustainability lingo, but in reality, land use change is really a condition that affects biodiversity, which is the indicator that really matters. The definition of biodiversity is the variability among living organisms from all sources and the ecological complexes of which they are a part. This includes diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystems. The more diversity, the better. The truth is that biodiversity, or the biological diversity of the Earth, is important for many reasons. Perhaps the most convincing arguments, though, for biodiversity are the important ecosystem services provided by nature to humanity. We really depend on these. Biodiversity basically underpins all food security. There are a few examples, such as pollination, nutrient recycling, and pest management. There's many, many more. Also provides fuel, such as wood and biofuels, medicine, clean air and water, and carbon sequestration. The UN report presents staggering evidence that humans are responsible for the extinction or threatened extinction of 1 million species globally. There isn't much else to say here, besides that the Earth's remaining high conservation value habitats must be protected at all costs. We need to make sweeping changes to protect the world's remaining biodiversity, while also balancing human needs. This is a nature-focused view on the definition of sustainable development and the core message of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. We have the knowledge, we have the tools, and now it's time to start finding real solutions. Approximately 70% of feed raw materials come from agricultural products. According to the latest UN report on biodiversity, agriculture is the #1 driver of global biodiversity loss, and also accounts for approximately 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions. The biggest area where Biomar can improve on biodiversity is by quantifying and reducing our land use footprint from the purchase of all agricultural commodities. This will help us understand where habitat degradation is occurring. Biomar is a recognized driver of certified deforestation-free, responsibly produced commodities. By encouraging farmers to increase productivity without increasing their environmental footprint, Biomar helps protect vital ecosystem services that local communities depend on. One of the key suggestions to reverse marine biodiversity losses is to source only from fisheries under robust, ecosystem-based fisheries management, and allow us to move towards a more integrated approach to protecting biodiversity along with our suppliers through the whole supply chain. This has been the Biomar Masterclass series talk on biodiversity and land use change. Thanks for listening.